What's up, everybody? This is the Welding Machine coming to you guys with a brand new video. Today we're going to do a shop update of the shop. I'm going to show you a few things that I got, along the way, and how did I come to acquire these things and everything of that nature. So let's check in, stay tuned, peace. So first things first, got upgrade tanks, $500 for 2 of them, for the biggest ones I can get. I used to have the Lincoln from Lowe's for $300, but it wasn't holding enough. But yeah, so this is what we got next. We got the miscellaneous wall. We got the grinders. We got the chipping hammers. We got some, auto mechanic tools in this box. In this box, we got some tungsten. We got some soapstone, fillet weld gauges, some MIG welding parts. Got some instruction books. Got some more TIG stuff. But anyways, this is what you guys really want to see. So I just bought me a new generator welder. Right here. It's only got 1,000 hours and got it for $1,500. $1,500. I don't even know if y'all can see me clear. I'm probably like blurry. Yeah, there we go. But yeah, for $1,500. Gotta. Alright. But yeah, y'all, I got some random stuff in my shop. I got the generator. I got the bandsaw. Let me show y'all that. Got the bandsaw over there from Harbor Freight, Chicago Electric. Works really great. And over here we got the Everlast Power iMig 275S. We got an up close shot of that. And then over there I got the HTP 200X. Well, I think it's DX or X. And that's a TIG weld. And then over here, to complete the thing, we got the I hate this camera. There we go. Zoom out. We got the drill press. We got the little drill press and the stand I built. We got the HTP. We got the Everlast, and on the bottom right there, we got the semi-dray plasma cutter. And then at the bottom of there, that was my first welder. We got the Chicago Electric. Alright, we're gonna swing over this way. We got the welding table, the helmet, and that's my wall. And all of this, this side right here is, because the shop is, I guess 11 by 30. So all of that's all my welding stuff, okay? And then don't forget my torches and stuff and whatnot. That's my welding stuff. And that spot right there. That's what happens when you change your oil. But anyway, this is my shop, It's pretty small, got a lot of stuff. But now, you're thinking, oh man, this guy's shop is pretty big. That's my dad's side right there. But this is my welder generator. Welder generator. Now, the stuff that you don't want to see, that you don't see, is all this extra shit that I got. Look at that. In the back corner, right there, with that air filter on top of it, right there. That is my toolbox. Got my TIG stuff in there, tools. That right there that's another box for storage, and that's tarp plastic that I cover my welding machine with. That's parts for my truck. That's some random parts on that shelf right there. I know my finger's blurry, but that shelf, second shelf from the bottom, not 1, 2, that shelf has exhaust parts, metal. And if you look up, I have my chop saw and my other thing. But yeah, other than that, y'all, my shop is pretty much cut and dry, simple stuff. Harbor Freight, bam, right there. That was the most expensive welder I bought right there, is the Everlast. $2,000, $750, $200, $380. and 140 something. Thanks for checking out my wait, hold on. Thanks for checking out my shop. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more content. If you are new, please subscribe, hit that bell, and I'm out, y'all. Thanks for checking it out. Welding Machine.